Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about factorials and how to evaluate them. There's a neat trick, and this trick was discovered by Adrienne Marie Legendre. I'm going to talk about that in this video. If you wanted to evaluate 20 factorial, for example, the brute force way is to say 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 all the way up to 20. And this can be tedious. There's got to be a better way. What is it? What's the trick? Well, for multiplication it's not so clear, but there is a similar type of problem for addition. You can take, for example, 1 to 5, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, and think of them geometrically. Think of them as blocks. So 1 is 1 block, 2 is 2 blocks, 3 is 3 blocks, and so on. And so how do we evaluate the sum of these? Create a copy, stick them together, and create a rectangle. The area of this is easy to evaluate. 5 times 6. 5 times 6 is 30. And the sum we're concerned with is just half of this, which is 15. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is 15. And in general, the formula for any number, if you wanted to add up to 100, for example, you just plug in 100 into n and evaluate. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 all the way up to 100. Say 1 half times 100 times 101. So that's 5,050. So what about factorials? Similar, except it's with multiplication. So how do we, for example, evaluate 10 factorial? You can, of course, do the brute force thing, but that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for some kind of trick. It turns out that we can break up this product into its prime factors. So start with 2. So there's actually a lot of 2's that occur in here. So we've got 1, 2 here, 2 2's here, 1 2 here, and 3 2's here, and 1 here. So how many total? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 2's in this product. So we can denote that by saying that we've got a factor of 2 to the 8. So then the next prime factor is 3. How many 3's do we have in this product? We've got 1 3, another 3, and then 2 more. That's 4 3's. So 3 to the power of 4. And then the next prime we have is 5. How many 5's do we have? Just 2. There's a 5 and 5, and there's a 5 and 10. So we have 5 to the power of 2. And then how many 7's do we have? Just 1. So 7 to the power of 1, which is just 7. And this accounts for everything. So 10 factorial is 2 to the 8 times 3 to the 4th times 5 to the 2 times 7. The general formula for this, so you can think of n factorial as a product of the prime numbers with an exponent on them. And that exponent has a definition. You have a sum over k, and k shows up as the exponent of a prime number. And you have this dividing by n. And then you have these brackets here, which are the floor function. And what that does is it rounds things down to the next whole number. So this is Legendre's formula. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Try working out Legendre's formula for 20 factorial. Send your answers in the comments.